Okay, by now you're probably asking yourself, what the hell am I making? And simply glue up weights. Very simple to make. 3-inch square tubing. I capped each end off with epoxy and wood and filled them up with wheel weights. I chose wheel weights because you can fit a lot of them in there. They won't react to the metal, such as like sand or anything like that. They were cheap. In fact, they were free. I went to a tire shop. They just gave me a bucket of them. I still got plenty more. They're, like I said, heavy, and they fit in a tube quite nicely. Each one of these tubes are probably 10 pounds, maybe more. Seems like one of them's actually heavier than the other. This one seems like it's the heaviest. I don't have a weight to tell you exactly how much they weigh, but they're heavy. They're sized specifically to one of my drawers, so I can actually fit about 10 of these in that drawer, all lined up. The drawer is, about this long, and I can just set them in the drawer, pull them out when I need them. So very easy to make, very simple concept, and hopefully very useful. So if you like this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.